with the permission of this honorable court. Good morning, good afternoon, Ma'am Gina.
Good afternoon po.
You mentioned that you were the special disbursing officer of Davao City. And this is from 2018 to 2022, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And the mayor then was Vice President Sara Duterte.
Opo, Your Honor.
When you were STO of Davao City, your duty pertained to disbursing confidential funds appropriated for Davao City, correct?
Hindi ko maklaro ang
Noon pong
question.
STO kayo, ang duty nyo po ay ang pag-disburse ng confidential funds para sa Davao City, tama po?
Tama po.
And you also prepared and submitted liquidation documents during that time, correct
Yes,
po?
tama po.
And when you were STO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct?
Wala po.
And when you were STO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
There is likewise no notice of suspension issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct? When you were
Wala.
and there is no notice of suspension issued against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
Wala rin pong notice of disallowance
Wala po.
laban sa inyo, wala po.
Wala po, Your
Wala rin
Honor.
pong notice of disallowance laban sa kay dating Mayor Sara Duterte, tama po?
Tama po, wala.
And the Commission on Audit did not reopen any audit for confidential funds of Davao City, correct?
Correct po.
Your Honor, sorry, but I have to
As in answered, Your Honor.
interject a continuing objection to this series of questions. May I state my ground?
I think I know what your ground is, Counsel, but you may do so for the record.
Your Honor, magically, now this witness remembers what happened in Davao. Kanina, when the prosecution was asking her, sabi niya,
Counsel is
hindi niya
testifying,
maalala.
Your Honor.
Wait, incompetent.
She,
Put in
It's-
record.
Counsel is testifying. Your Honor. Maybe we
Then
have
the
to strike, Your
objection is overruled, Counsel. Counsel may proceed.